turned its streets into rivers. In Canis, people were seen desperately clinging to lampposts, while cars were swept away by powerful currents. Shocking footage shared on X, formerly Twitter, captures the coastal city submerged, with bystanders battling rushing waters as they tried to cross roads.
Oh bordel!
Météo France, the National Weather Service, issued an urgent flood warning, which remains in effect. They warned, moderate damage is expected, particularly in exposed or vulnerable areas, and for those engaging in outdoor activities. Stay alert and follow the latest weather updates. Another viral video shows trash bins floating down waterlogged streets and cars almost entirely submerged. The caption reads, "Canis this morning, drowning in torrents of rain." Some videos even display underground parking garages and tunnels completely flooded. The Republic district has seen significant damage, with cars and streets particularly affected. According to the official city page on X, several key routes, including passages leading to Boulevard du Midi, are closed for safety.
Sinon, mon bureau est juste là, mais c'est pas comme si y avait 3 litres d'eau, mais un petit peu quand même. Donc si je meurs submergée par de l'eau, vous saurez pourquoi. Voilà, je ne sais pas comment je vais attendre ce...
According to La Chain Mateo, the storm dumped 26 millimeters of rain in an hour, with 18 millimeters falling in just 12 minutes, causing massive urban runoff. While the worst of the storm has passed, the aftermath has left the city in disarray, with authorities continuing cleanup efforts.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a comme mot ?